If you have a move coming up, you're probably already dreading the process. It's a pain, we know. So why not take the stress off of yourself, your friends, and your family? Let movinglabor.com handle it for you. Here is how it works. You rent the appropriate transportation method, then you hire us to load, unload, and maybe even pack your belongings. Then you enjoy your saved time, money, and more important, your health. We take the hassle out of searching site after site trying to find movers by providing you with pre-screened local companies with real customer reviews. Have a piano, safe, or other high-value or heavy item? No problem. We work with professional moving teams who are experienced in handling these items. And the best part? We work nationwide. Schedule your move now at movinglabor.com or just give us a call.